In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV with NFL Sunday Ticket. If you're a fan of watching out-of-market games, this guide will help you enjoy every matchup. Let's get started. To access NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV, start by subscribing to YouTube TV at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. Once your account is active, add the NFL Sunday Ticket package during sign-up or through your account settings for an additional fee. This package lets you stream out-of-market Sunday afternoon games, even if they're not broadcast locally. Download the YouTube TV app on your device, log in, and browse the Sunday Ticket section to find the games you want to watch. You can also use the app's DVR feature to record games for later viewing. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV with NFL Sunday Ticket, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.